It gives me immense pride and privilege to address you on the momentous occasion of the 60th Raising Day of the Border Security Force. This day is a celebration not only of the establishment of the world's largest border guarding force, but also of six decades of extraordinary valor, unparalleled dedication, and unflinching service to the nation. Since its inception on December 1st, 1965, under the visionary leadership of Shri K.F. Rustamji, the BSF has evolved into a formidable force with 194 battalions, including 4 NDRF units, securing 6,400 kilometers of India's borders with Pakistan and Bangladesh. Our motto, Jeevan Paryant Kartavya, continues to inspire every mission and endeavor. BSF stands as the first line of defense along India's international borders. From the arid deserts of Rajasthan in the west to the dense mangroves of the Sundarbans and northeast and the freezing heights of Jammu and Kashmir in the north. Our personnel demonstrate resilience, professionalism, and dedication in the most demanding conditions. Our steadfast presence in Jammu and Kashmir along the line of control has thwarted infiltration attempts and cross-border provocations, maintaining peace and stability in a sensitive region. Similarly, along the Indo-Bangladesh borders, our effort in countering trans-border crimes, including smuggling and human trafficking, reflect our commitment to the national security. Role in counterinsurgency and internal security. Beyond the border guarding, the BSF has excelled in counterinsurgency and internal security operations. That is, in Punjab and J&K. During the insurgency in Punjab and militancy in Jammu and Kashmir, the BSF played a pivotal role in neutralizing threats and restoring normalcy. Northeast, our sustained counterinsurgency efforts in the Northeast have been instrumental in fostering stability and enabling development. Left-wing extremism. Since 2010, the BSF has been a key player in combating Naxalism in Odisha and Chhattisgarh, containing extremist influence and enhancing security for the local populace. Transformative role in Odisha. In Odisha, as you all know, since 2010, the BSF's role transcends conventional security operations. Deployed in districts such as Malkangiri, Koraput, Rayagada, Navrangpur, Kandhamal and Bodh, the BSF has been instrumental in countering left-wing extremism and ushering in a new era of peace and development with the active support of Odisha government, especially the Odisha police. Our key achievements include liberating the Swabhiman Anchal. BSF has played a stellar role in liberating the erstwhile cut-off area in Malkangiri, now known as Swabhiman Anchal, from the grip of Naxals, paving the way for peace and progress. With their relentless operations and community outreach, the influence of Maoists has been dismantled, enabling the local population to rejoin the mainstream. In addition to ensuring security, the BSF has actively contributed to the developmental activities led by Odisha government, facilitating the construction of essential infrastructure like roads, bridges, schools, primary health centers, skill development centers and Anganwadi centers. The integrated approach reflects the BSF's commitment not only to national security but also to the holistic development of the region in which Odisha government has taken the lead and mobilized all its departments. Counter-Naxal operations. BSF has neutralized key Naxal leaders and dismantled insurgent networks in its area of deployment. Recent strategic initiatives include the establishment of company operating bases at Budakhol in Bodh and Bada Paju in Kandhamal. These COBs have been pivotal in making deep inroads into the Kandhamal, Kalahandi, Bodh, Nayagarh area, a known Naxal hotspot, punching holes in their strongholds and significantly containing their area of influence. Synergy in intelligence and sharing. BSF has fostered better coordination with Odisha police and intelligence agencies, enabling precise and effective operations. This collaborative approach is geared toward the complete eradication of Naxalism from Odisha by 2026, ensuring long-term peace and stability in Odisha. Development initiatives. First is infrastructure development. The construction of vital infrastructure, including roads, schools, and community centers, has transformed previously inaccessible areas. The Guru Priya Bridge stands as a symbol of connectivity and hope for Swaviman Anchal in Malkangiri, empowering communities. Through skill development programs, medical camps, and tribal youth exchange programs, BSF has helped empowering marginalized communities, fostering inclusive and growth.